Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Twitter marketing, we'll discuss about business branding. How you can go about creating a business branding, a business identity on Twitter. Let's check some of the points. How Twitter helps in business branding. Let us check what is that Twitter offers us in creating a business branding for your business. Express your brand identity is the most important and crucial point. How you are going to express your brand identity. The most important thing when you actually create an account on Twitter for your business, make sure that you have actually identified what are your services, your products and your solutions that are associated with your business. And when you do that, you have to have a customized banner on Twitter, a customized banner that clearly spells out each and everything that is associated with your business. The profile picture again plays a very important role. The bio plays a very important role which describes your business, and these are some of the important and key elements that actually helps us in brand identity. Communicate to showcase your credentials. You are into business and you have a lot of credentials or testimonials, the expertise that is associated with you and your business. You need to actually communicate those credentials with the prospective clients and customers on Twitter. You need to tell people, this is my expertise, this is what I can do, this is how we can do, these are the solutions that we are providing, these are our products and these are our customers, this is what our customers are talking about. The credentials play a very important role in driving traffic to your business, creating a business identity and making people ensure that they trust your brand. The trust is extremely important. How people will trust you? They trust you because of your past performance and they'll be listening to what your clients or existing customers are saying, and that is how the trust is built. When trust is built, the brand identity is created. Increase visibility to potential customers. The more you increase your visibility, the more you create an awareness, the more the business and brand identity of your business. It simply doesn't mean that you go on tweeting recklessly, irresponsibly, aggressive tweets. That is not going to work. You should be consistent, stay relevant and connect with your potential customers. Do not overdo an aggressive tweets. That is not going to work. Stay relevant, stay to the point and listen to what others are saying. Social media is all about listening to people, interacting with people, communicate with people. The more you listen to your potential customers, the better your business will grow and the identity will be created. So how to brand your company on Twitter? Complete optimize profile completely. It is extremely important. More often than not, we have seen many businesses. They create an account, but their account is not completely optimized in terms of the images, in terms of the banner, the profile picture, the bio, the keyword that are associated with your businesses. This has to be done completely. Then the people will be able to see what you have to offer. The people will take you seriously if you have a completely optimized profile page. Use relevant keywords in bio, extremely important. If you are into business of say web application development, a software company, use relevant keywords that are associated with the kind of application that you have built. You have built applications, say for example, the transportation industry, the healthcare industry, if you have to have pharmaceutical industry, use these keywords clearly, cleverly and smartly in your bio. Create a content calendar. Just going about having a business account on Twitter and optimizing an account completely, you have done that all and you are actually do not have a content calendar with you what you want to post and you just go about tweeting randomly. That is not going to work. That is not actually the serious way of doing Twitter marketing. You need to create a content calendar. You should know exactly what you are going to post and when. The first week what you are going to post, the second week, the third week, in the fourth week, what you want to post, how many tweets that you want to post, on which days you want to post, if there are any images or videos that are associated, what are those images and what are those videos, what you are going to put in them. All this comes into your content strategy and the content calendar. You have to take it very seriously and create a content calendar. Post customized quality images reflecting your brand. Extremely important. Post high quality images reflecting your brand, the customized images. We have seen on many times on Twitter that people do post images, but those images are picked up from Google and from somewhere else. Whatever it is there, they just take it and put it on their profile page, on their timeline. That is not going to work. If you are serious about your business, serious about generating leads from Twitter, make sure that you create customized images with some content in those images, and these customized images reflecting your business or your product or a service. This will work. Engage and respond and stay relevant. The more you stay engaged and respond quickly, you are sure you are going to get leads and drive traffic to your website and generate leads and customers. And some of the branding tips that you can think of implementing: use brand name as Twitter name. Whatever the account that you have created, the brand name should be your Twitter account handle name, and that is how it should work. Use logo as Twitter picture and customize banner. The banner has to be customized. Again, don't pick up a banner from some images site and put it on your Twitter account. That is not going to work. Use customized banner images and logo on Twitter, logo of your business. Then you have follow the right kind of people. You should know exactly what is your business. Of course, you know that. You also know what kind of products and services and solutions you are selling, and you also know who could be your potential customers. Find out them, research on them, and send follow message and follow them. This is actually the right way of connecting your targeted customers. Tweet consistently. The more consistent that you are, consistently tweets doesn't mean that you go on a tweeting spree, recklessly, irresponsibly tweeting continuously. That is not going to. Consistent tweets means stay relevant on your topic, connect with your right kind of people, and post regularly with images and videos. That is consistent tweeting. Cement your brand. Once you do all these things, more often than not, what we have seen is, in a hurry to generate leads, in a hurry to acquire customers, people do a lot of things like posting aggressive content, posting videos, posting images, continuously following people, aggressive following. That is not. You have to be patient. You have to first identify who your customers are on Twitter, send across messages that are customized, targeted, and intended towards your potential customers. Listen to what they have to say, listen to their queries, respond to their queries, solve their problems, drive traffic, generate leads, then convert. It takes time. It happens, but it takes time. But you have to stay relevant, stay positive, and then your brand will be cemented. That is how it is going to be on Twitter marketing. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is how Twitter helps in business branding, how to brand your company, and some of the branding tips that you can think of implementing on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.